Hi, my name is Britt. In this video I'm quickly going to show you my Nerf double strike light guns. I wanted to build a Nerf gun that is controlling a computer after building my sentry gun that is controlled by a computer. It took me a while to get started, but I can finally show you the results. There are two different versions, one that is connected with a wire and one that is wireless, which works via Bluetooth. The gun emulates a mouse and therefore no drivers are required. They're using the aim-track light gun kit and, for example, work with a PC and MAME or RetroPie. There are three different buttons. First, of course, the trigger, then one that is activated by cocking the gun and one that is hidden in the rail. I hope you enjoy this quick mod. There's a link in the description should you want to build your own. After finishing them, I of course had to play a round of Duck Hunt, and I can tell you it's quite addicting. Thanks a lot for watching. Please consider subscribing for more awesome DIY projects.